Hello everyone, my name is Divitra Nagalinam from class DDT S3. Today I am here to talk about my practical task 1, Network Mapper Nmap from subject Information Security code DFS30023. Let's start now. I am going to show how to analyze network traffic using Nmap. The first step is install and launch the Nmap UMIT program. So let's see how to do the installation process. First, go to the Google Chrome and search for Nmap UMIT program. Then scroll down and look for Nmap. Download. Now download the Nmap. It's free. Next, you can select whether you want to download it in your PC or your Windows, either one as your wish. Now we're going to download the Nmap. So free download. Okay, next select the latest version of the Nmap. I select the latest stable release of self-installer version 7.91. Here is it. Okay, the installation process has taken place. Okay, the process is completed. Now, open the Nmap. Now we have to agree the license agreement. Once the installation is complete, it will appear on our desktop. So, I agree. Next, install. This installation process takes few minutes, so we have to be very patient and make sure the installation is complete successfully. Okay, the installation process is done. Okay, now the process is complete, and now here is the Nmap appear on our desktop. After the installation is complete, open the Nmap UMIT program. So next, see what's the step. The first step, install and launch the Nmap UMIT program. We have completed this. Next, after installation finish, open Nmap UMIT program. We also have done step 2. We have opened the Nmap. Here is it. Okay, next, let's see what's the next step. The next step is, after the installation is complete, open the Nmap UMIT. And we have to select a target and a profile and click scan. That is step 3. So let's do it together. This is the target. Okay, on the target section, I will enter my IP address. My IP address is 192.168.0.107. Along with, in the profile section, I will select the intent scan. Okay, intent scan. Okay. Now click on the scan. We can see the process of scanning is still running. The scanning process will take a few seconds. So we have to be very patient. You can see here the scanning process is still running. It takes few seconds to complete the scanning. Okay, the scanning process is completed. Once the scanning process is completed, the following shows the Nmap output of the intent scan. This is the output for the Nmap. Okay, so the next step, let's go to the fourth step. The first step is scan report. The following figures show the Nmap. We have done this. This is the output. So we have also completed our fourth step. Okay, next let's go to the fifth step. The fifth step is the following figure shows the ports, and actually here should be host of the intent scan. Okay, not hubs, it's host. Okay, that's a typo error here. Okay, let me change hosts. Hosts. Okay, now let's go to the Nmap. Step 5. Click on the port and host. Okay, here is it. The figure shows the output for the ports and hosts of the intent scan. So this is the output. Okay, we have done our step 5. So let's see our step 6. Step 6. The host detail of the intent scan are shown in the following figure. So host detail. Now we have to go for the host detail. So the next step is host detail. Click on the host details. The output for the host detail of the intent scan are shown here. Here I can view my host status, addresses, operating system and etc. Okay, we have also completed our step 6. That's good. Next, see what is the next step. The next step is scan details for the intent scan are shown in the following figure. So we have to look for scan details. So now back to the Nmap. If you want to view the scan details for the intent scan, it's really very easy. Go back to the Nmap output. We can see the word details appear on the top right. Here is it. So click on it to view the scan details. See, this is the scan details. Okay. We've also completed our step 7. Next, step 8. Step 8 is the Nmap output for quick scan is shown in the following figure. Okay, let's do for step 8. Let's see how to find the Nmap output for the quick scan. On the profile section, change the type of quick type to the quick scan. Here is it. Then click on scan. The scanning process is completed. This is the output for the quick scan is shown. So we have also completed our step 8. Next, the next step is the Nmap output for the regular scan. So now we have to go for regular scan. So regular scan, back to the Nmap. Let's see how to find the Nmap output for the regular scan. On the profile section, change the type to regular scan. So here is it, regular scan. Then click on scan. The scanning process is completed so fast. And this is the output for the regular scan is shown here. This is it. Okay, this is the output. Okay, let's see what's the next. Oh, we have reached the end. So let's see. There are some few questions exercise about the analysis network traffic using Nmap. Okay. Next, there are few questions regarding how to analyze network traffic using Nmap. Let's answer together. The first question is, find out what is the IP address of the www.peo.edu.my using Nmap. So let's see. First, go to the Nmap. On the target section, type for www.pu.edu.my and change the type of profile to intent scan. Okay, here is it, intent scan. Done. Then click scan. Wait for a few seconds until the scanning process complete. The scanning is still not completed. It's still running. You have to be patient. Okay, the scanning process is completed. Now let's look for the IP address of the www.peo.edu.my server. For the IP address, we have to go to the host detail section. Under the addresses, we can see IPv4. That is the IP address which is 122.129.122.243. This is the IP address for the www.peo.edu.my server. So we have answered the first question. Let's type the answer 122.122.243. Okay, there's it. This is the first answer. We have completed. We have done the first question. So next, move to the second question. The second question is, list 4 services or application that running on the PEO server. So for this question, we have to go to the Nmap, ports and host position. We have to go to the ports and host section to know the services. Here you can see there are 3 services that running on the PEO server. The services are HTTP, IDENT and SSL. So this is the answer for the second question. So let's type the answer together. HTTP is the first service. Next is IDENT. And the third one is SSL. Okay, we have completed our third question. Okay, our second question. So the last question. What is the third question? What is the operating system used on the PEO server? To find the operating system used on the PEO server, click on the host detail on the Nmap. So, host details, Nmap, in the Nmap, under the operating system, we can see what is the operating system used on the PEO server. The operating system used on the PEO server is iVTech Room Alert 26W Environmental Monitor. This is the operating system used in the PEO server. Okay, let's type the answer together. I V IV Tech, IV Tech, Room Alert, sorry, Room Alert, Room Alert, Room Alert, 26W, 26W, and environmental monitor. Okay, environmental monitor. Okay, we have completed all the question. Okay, I hope this video is very useful for you to analyze network traffic using Nmap. That's all from me. Thank you.